There's a little bit of country in all of us. She's writing down lyrics in the back of her truck. Something about finding another way to go home. Her cell phone's ringing, it's a call from home. Her daddy's dying, said he'd like to move on. And all the lies they tell you just to keep you hanging on. He said all roads lead to Nashville, but there's a diesel train 5 miles long at the middle, and I'm stuck at that crossing again. Tennessee rain starts to fall in, salvation on the way. You see I'm drowning in whiskey, but it wasn't always that way. Jump the crossing or go racing with the wind. All the lights they got flashing won't bring you back again. The Tennessee rain starts to fall in, salvation on the way. Tennessee rain starts to fall in, falling on my face. You see I'm drowning in whiskey, but it wasn't always that way. Drink it up. Come on, baby boy, now off you go. Here's a little song for you, you just might know, maybe you don't. In which case I will sing it to you. Come on, sit beside me by the long black wall. 50 years ago you were a golden god, oh yeah. From the Adirondacks. Baby, won't you stay a while with me? I'm tired and I'm lonely, and my thoughts too dark to see by the little light of all these candles left here by the wall. Tracing your finger down the letters on the wall, you found Billy Aiken and the summer turned to fall down in Washington, D.C. Carry me home to where I lie, in a shopper named Ascension, blue thunder in the night. Billy's mom was staring at the ceiling in the night. She says she's gonna leave this place when the time is right. She won't be coming back this way. Baby boy, now off you go. This little song for you we all should know, maybe we don't, in which case we should learn it. Come on, sit beside me by the long black wall. 50 years ago you were a golden god, oh yeah, from the Adirondacks. Carry me home to where I lie, in a shelter named Ascension, blue thunder in the night. Billy's mom was staring at the ceiling in the night. She says she's gonna leave this place when the time is right. She won't be coming back this way.